First, that emergency unfolding right now, when authorities called it a historic lightning season.
Temperatures and strong winds fanned hundreds of blazes across 3 states. But officials warn the reprieve won't be enough to get fires under control.
Hold a second. Scary, isn't it? Have we ever thought how this fire happened? Who started it? Or maybe, how did it spread? These questions are about to be answered. Now we see all these fire cases. Do you know what this fire called? Do they have a specific name? Or we just call it fire? These are called wildfire, also known as bush fire, depending on how it started. Alright, let's take a look on these scenarios. Asif had a rough day from work. After he dropped off the bus to walk home, he took a puff because he felt stressed. Then he smoked his cigarette halfway and threw the butt into the bushes. You see, this should not be happening. Discarding lit cigarette butts could potentially start a fire. The fire burns all the bushes and gets bigger. Plus, the strong wind blows. It will successfully spread to other places, especially places with combustible substance such as dried leaves and electric cables. Now, let's see the scenario next. Nabil, Sajid, Asif and Emon had already scraped up all this petty debris after harvesting on a paddy field. Now, let's think, what other way to dispose this debris other than combust it, right? So they set the debris on fire. This activity, my friends, is very, very inappropriate. Imagine if the fire from their field travels into the dry bushes or the woods, or even worse, into people's home. Oh, don't even dare to imagine it.
There are several effects of wildfire, which is loss of ecosystem and biodiversity. A huge wildfire in a forest area will lead to a loss of ecosystem and biodiversity, where it can destroy most of the habitat of flora and fauna. Next is air. Air pollution might occur in that area when there is a massive amount of smoke or discharge to the atmosphere. The quantities of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide from a massive wildfire can cause serious health problems to humans.
Ever recorded,
So here
and along
is
with
the
them,
conclusion.
dangerous levels of air pollution.
Due to wildfire, harmful gases such as carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and other greenhouse gases have been released that affects our environment. We are not able to control natural disasters such as thunderstorm and climate change. What we can do is to control unnatural disasters such as throwing cigarettes, which is due to human being. So, being a good citizen, what we have to do is to throw a dirt in its place. Today's prevention is better than tomorrow's cure.
That's all for the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.